Hi there and welcome to another Beaver Builder tutorial. In this video we're going to explore the photo module. This module lets you place images anywhere in your layout, whether they're from your media library or hosted externally, with full control over size, cropping, borders, captions and more. Let's walk through the process step by step.
First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress site and editing the page using Beaver Builder. Click the plus icon in the top right corner to open the content panel. Then scroll down to the standard module group or search for photo. Once you've found it, drag the photo module onto your page where you want the image to appear. As soon as you place the module, the settings panel will open. Let's start with the General tab. At the top, you'll see the photo source options. There are two choices, Media Library or URL. Let's start with Media Library. Click the Select Photo button. This opens the standard WordPress Media Library, where you can either choose an existing image or upload a new one by clicking the Upload Files tab and dragging a photo in from your computer. Once your photo is selected, click Select in the bottom right corner to apply it. The second option is URL. This allows you to display an image from an external source, for example, a direct link from a CDN or an image hosting service. Just copy and paste the full image URL into the photo URL field. Below that, you'll see a toggle labeled Show Title Attribute on mouse over. If enabled, this will display a tooltip when a user hovers their mouse over the image. The text in that tooltip is set in the Image Title Attribute field just below. If you leave it blank, Beaver Builder will use the image file name by default. Next is the caption section. Here you can choose how captions appear on your photo. The Show Caption drop-down gives you three options. Never. No caption is displayed. On hover. The caption appears only when users hover over the photo. Below photo. The caption is always visible underneath the image. Below that, use the caption field to enter your text. If you're pulling in an image from the media library and it already has a caption set, that text will be used automatically, but you can edit it directly here if needed. Now let's move to the link section. This is where you decide what happens when someone clicks on the image. The link type drop-down includes four options, none. The image won't link anywhere. URL, enter a web address to link the image to another page or site. Lightbox opens the image in a pop-up overlay. Photo file links directly to the image file itself, opening it in the browser. Use this section if you want to turn your image into a clickable element. For example, linking to a product, gallery, or portfolio item. Let's now head over to the Style tab. This is where you customize the image's appearance. The first option is crop. You can leave it as none or select a predefined shape like landscape, panorama, portrait, square, or circle. Next is width. You can set the image width using pixels, percentage, or viewport width. This setting is fully responsive, so you can adjust it differently for desktop, tablet, and mobile. Below that, you'll see alignment. Choose left, center, or right. This can also be set per device, which is great for optimizing mobile layouts. Then we have border settings. Here you can add a border around your image, choose the style and color, and control the border width on each side. The radius and shadow section allows you to round the corners of your image and add a soft drop shadow behind it. Next is the fill container setting. This controls how the image behaves inside its column or row. You can choose none. Keeps the image's natural dimensions. Cover scales the image to completely fill the container, cropping as needed. Contain resizes the image to fit inside the container without cropping. Natural keeps the original size without any scaling.
Below that, use the fill container alignment settings to control how the image is positioned within the container when using the natural fill method.
And finally, we have the Advanced tab. This tab works the same way as in other modules, but with a simplified set of controls. In the photo module, you can only set margin spacing. You can also control visibility at each breakpoint, extra large, large, medium, and mobile. Animations and custom IDs, classes, or inline CSS are also supported, just like in other modules. Once you're happy with how your image looks and behaves, click Save. Then click Done in the top right corner and don't forget to click Publish to make your changes live. And that's all there is to it. Try out the photo module and see how easy it is to add and style images on your page.
Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more helpful tutorials. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. We read every comment and try to answer any questions you have. If you found this video useful, give us a like and consider subscribing. It really helps grow the channel. Please also consider sharing, as we really want to help the Beaver Builder community. For more hints and tips, visit learnbeaverbuilder.com, and we'll see you in the next one.